Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new airdrop called BLUM. It has just been launched and has been live for 4 months. BLUM Coin is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency designed to streamline digital transactions, offering a secure, decentralized, and efficient alternative to traditional financial systems. With its robust blockchain technology and innovative features, BLUM Coin aims to become a leading player in the global digital economy. If you don't have Telegram, you can find the Telegram link in the description box below. I'm showing you this for your benefits. This is all part of a new project, but now it's over. You can also invite your friends to get more points. Subscribe to the channel to receive more updates on airdrops, new coins, trading information, crypto news, and free signal. I will show you everything without saying much. If you don't understand something, you can join my Telegram channel. I will discuss it with you in detail. After that, if you need more details, then you can tell me in the comment box, and I will tell you through the video. BLUM Coin represents the future of digital transactions, offering a secure, efficient, and decentralized alternative to traditional financial systems. With its advanced features and strong community focus, BLUM Coin is poised to make a significant impact on the global digital economy. Join the BLUM Coin revolution today and experience the benefits of next-generation cryptocurrency technology. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Check the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and happy earning with Wave Wallet. Subscribe to my channel for more updates like how to exchange your coins, how to connect your wallet to airdrops, coin mining, etc.